Hello students, this is my 8th video on the chapter Building an Internet Culture by Philip Egger. The writer in this essay wants that we should encourage an internet culture in our country. For it, he presents 10 conclusions based on his experience and analysis in United States, which he offers before us as the guiding points to build an internet culture. In my previous video, we had studied the 3 points as suggested by him, which were: number 1, we should not pursue the sales pitch for new technology. Rather, we should build a proper plan using our experience and common sense for buying a machinery. The second point is we should not spend vast sums of money to buy machinery for the institutions that are not in working position. The third point is our focus should be on developing the people, not on buying machinery. For it, the institutions should invite proposals that would enable the institutions to learn how to use the machinery. The fourth point is the text is build an internet civil society. We should build an internet civil society. Find those people in every sector of society that want to use the internet for positive social purposes. Introduce them to one another and connect them to their counterparts in other countries around the world. The writer says that we should find those people in every sector of the society that want to use the internet for positive social purposes. We should introduce them to one another and connect them to their counterparts or the people who have the same purposes with them who live in other countries around the world. Numerous organizations in other countries can help with this. Numerous means many organizations in other countries can help us to introduce the other people with the people who want to use the internet. The fifth point is electronic mail is more important than technologies such as the World Wide Web that employ sophisticated graphics. The writer says that electronic mail means email, is more important than technologies such as World Wide Web, www, that employs sophisticated graphics. It employs means it uses, sophisticated means refined graphics. You can get most of the social benefit of the internet with the low technology that works entirely with text. The writer says that we can get most of the social benefit of the internet with low technology that works entirely means completely with text, without foreclosing, without checking the possibility of upgrading the technology later on. The writer says that email is an important technology and we can use it, and by using it and its text material, we have more possibility to upgrade the technology later on. Electronic mail does require literacy. Email requires literacy or education, but the benefits of electronic correspondence also provide a powerful motivation to acquire literacy skills. But the benefits of electronic correspondence, when we correspond through email. Its benefits also provide a powerful motivation. They give a motivation to acquire literacy skills, to acquire the skills of education. Means anyone, when anyone uses email, and when the person is benefited by email, that person is motivated to learn more and more and to acquire the literacy skills. Conduct extensive structured analysis of the technical and cultural environment. The writer says that we should conduct extensive structured analysis of the technical and cultural environment. We should have uh, an extensive and structured analysis of the technical and cultural environment in the country, include the people whose work will actually be affected. We should include the work include the people whose work will actually be affected, whose work is going to be affected by using the internet actually. A shared analytical process will help envision how the technology will fit into the whole way of life around it. A shared analytical process. If we have a shared analytical process of the use of internet, it will help envision means to see how the technology will fit, how the technology will be helpful into the whole way of life around it. If we analyze the situation, how much technical and cultural environment we have in our country, how people are affected by using the internet. If we have analytical study, uh, uh, it will be helpful to see how the technology is helpful in the whole way of life around it, and the technology will have a greater chance of actually being used. And when we will have analysis of the technical help, after that the technology will have, we will see that technology has a greater chance of actually being used. Identify existing practices for sharing information and building social networks. We should identify, we should recognize, or we should find out existing practices or methods for sharing information. We should find out, we should know what are the existing methods for sharing information and building social networks, and experiment using the internet and allied technologies to amplify them. We should have the knowledge, or we should find out what are the existing methods for sharing information and building social connections, and experiment using, we should experiment those methods using the internet and allied technologies. Allied means the concerned technologies, to amplify them is increase. We should know about the existing methods, how we share our information with others, and we should also experiment uh, using the internet and the other concerned technologies to increase or extend the methods or the ways of sharing.